Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how easy it is to create a cron time-based automation to execute your JavaScript code using Node inside of WayScript. What we'll first do is create an account and then a workspace. Inside this workspace we'll have something called layers. You see I have plenty of layers here. We'll create a new one for this video. So what a layer is just an environment which we can build this into. You can name it whatever you would like and then we'll click on create layer. What this will do is put us into that environment, and there is a develop button on the left. We will click this and this will give us access to the file manager. At this point, whatever code you would like to automate the executions of, we can upload it here, or we can just type out our own code to execute. I have some very simple code on my local machine that I will just copy and paste over, and all this code does is just send a request to an endpoint of my choosing. So now let's talk about how we can do the automation and the cron portion of this video. Now to automate this using cron, we'll use the WayScript trigger system. You see I had the panel open already. If this panel is not here for you, click on the lightning bolt at the bottom. So we'll make sure that this is open. We will click this plus to create a new trigger and we'll choose cron. Once we click that, you see that we get a few options. So the command to run in this case, since we're trying to automate a node execution, we will use node and then the name of the file that we want to execute. Next, we have a mode option, and this is just how often our execution will occur. I will leave it as the default of hour, but if you need a more complex solution, you can always choose custom and input your own custom cron syntax. So I'll leave that as hour. Now we'll click on test, and this will test our execution. When we click on test, you see that we get this status down here with the result from that cron trigger. Now if we want this to be live and actually run every hour, there's one final step. We have to click on deploy to the left and then deploy, and this will push this to a live state, so it automatically runs every hour using that cron job that we just set up. And it's as simple as that to set up a cron job for your node executions inside of WayScript. If you have any questions, please reach out and we'll be happy to help. Until next time.